Okay, this item is new. They're together. Okay. And that's the number 904-528 and 904-514 for Dorman brand. And it is compatible with GM trucks and Ram trucks. If you see right here, I put Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD, 3500 HD for years 2011 through 2016, for GMC Sierra 2500 HD and 3500 HD for years 2011 through 2016. For the Ram trucks, it's right there. It's for Dodge Ram 1500 for years 2014 through 2018 with EcoDiesel. Okay, I just want to share that. Okay, let me add to that. It says you replace the Dorman 904-514 EGT sensor when you see signs like a flashing glow, plug light, lit check engine light, poor performance, decreased fuel economy, black smoke, or during routine maintenance. If it sees common around 50K to 80K miles, often requiring the included Bung repair kit for replacement due to seizing in the exhaust. And then for the other part, it says OE Solutions exhaust gas temperature EGT sensor Bung repair kit 904528, which is the little piece that goes in here. Okay, and then let's see, the Dorman sensor Bung repair kit. You replace it when common failure scenarios. It says EGT sensor Bung rust or corrodes. Most common reason, especially on diesel vehicles exposed to road salts and moisture. Threads become stripped or damaged from repeated sensor removal or over tighten. Sensor won't seal properly, results in exhaust leaks and incorrect temperature readings after sensor removal. Damage when extracting a seized or corroded EGT sensor damages the Bung threads. Warning signs you need replacement. And it tells you the code on there. It's P0545. But just read on. Let me move this so you can read more. Let's see, check engine light P0544-P0549 codes related to EGT sensor circuit. And I just wanted to share that with these parts right here. That's what it says. I'm not a mechanic, y'all. I just found that on Google and I just thought I'd share. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Subscribe because I need subscribers.